and shadows. We are headed to do something unique. Most of the time I take you guys to see historical things or even natural beauties. Today I'm going to introduce you to another interest of mine, alcohol. So we are headed to the Irish Whiskey Museum to do the tour and see what this whiskey thing's all about. I'm usually a clear liquor drinker, but when in Ireland, right? Alright guys, let's get this day started. Alright guys, so I couldn't really film in there, they don't allow it, so I took a bunch of pictures. So what you just saw was kind of like a slideshow of the tour itself. It is absolutely amazing. Even if you're not into whiskey, definitely check it out. You learn a lot, and maybe you find out that you actually do like whiskey like I did. But yeah, so definitely check it out. So the whiskey tour was only an hour, which means it's only 2 o'clock, and that's lame. I'm not going to go back to the hostel now. So I actually just walked over. We're going to take a little tour through the archaeological / history museum. Just kind of combo tag team this day. So yeah, we're sitting outside the museum. It's free admission, which is amazing. Let's go see what it is. So that was the museum. Pretty cool. There were some places I couldn't take pictures, some places, you know, odds and ends, special exhibitions. It was really cool. Like I said, it was free, so definitely it was really great to get a bearing on the history of Ireland. And that's where I'm going to leave it today. I'm headed to go get some food and back to the hostel. We got something more done than we were supposed to. Right on. Talk to you guys later.